So you can see I worked over here. That's the first one. I'm going to be working right here on the second one, and we have a third one and maybe a fourth or fifth patch all along where the roof meets the rubber. So we're going to go ahead and continue to work on that. Okay, one down. So I turn this way, pull it out, the ridges are up here. I can go ahead and take out the empty at the top, and we're good to go. We're going to do a whole nother one. We have at least three or four of these. So we have 1, 2, it's my glove. We did those 3 spots over there on the roof. This one doesn't look too bad, so I'm choosing not to because I'm trying to save on my blackjack here. So I did that one. Here we're going to be working on this one next, but as you can see, we have a lot of leaking here. So I'm going to work on digging some of that out and clean that up before I put some blackjack on there because it's a little wet. So let's see if we can get to work. Stuff all stuck in here. Accumulation of all summer, fall. Ooh, it's just juicy and gross. Let's see if I can put it down there. Oh, there it went. So now it's draining. Let's get some more of this stuff out of the way. Oh yeah, now it's flowing like a river. Sorry for the shakiness of this. Let's get some more of this out of the way. We're gonna have to go all along here because these gutters should be good to drain because I fixed them not too long ago. Let's get more of the gunk out of here. This is what happens when you don't have gutter guards. So those people who don't have gutter guards, this is what you gotta deal with. Let's see if we can clean some of this up a little bit more. Okay. Just so the blackjack will stick a little here. Or shall I say roof cement. Maybe we're gonna put a couple squirts in there. Kind of get it all covered up in there. Come on, I know you got more in you. That'll prevent it's a little too wet. That's all right. We'll get this going here. Come on. There we go. Get some of that on there. Glamorous world of home repair and improvement. Do it yourself. Yeah, see if we can get that nice and covered up there. See if we can get some of that. There we go. That's gonna seal off the roof from the flat top here. Let's see if we can get some more down there. It's awfully wet, so it may not stick. Get some over here. Oh, it looks like we're out. Are we running out? Come on, stick. All right, I'm on my knees. This is killing me. Let's see. Oh yeah, some of that's sticking. Let's see. get it going on this edge here. There. Yeah, it's sticking now. Let's see if we can get another squeeze or two right on there. Yeah, we got some more in there. Oh, that's it, huh? Let's see. Yeah, that's something. Something better than nothing. That way. Oh, we got a leaf in there. Oh well, now you're a permanent part of our roof. Get that going up there. So, not perfect, but it doesn't have to be. Just gotta fill in the cracks. Maybe I'll use a little bit more. I might have to run out and get some more. I didn't realize the state of repair of the roof. Let's see if we can get some more in there. So, we got done with our second one. We're gonna toss this over the edge, and we're gonna continue working. Maybe I can work along the edge, or we'll get rid of some of the leaves. So we cleaned off all the gutters, at least along this rubber roof edge here, along the house. I'll point down and I'll show you. So you can see we got rid of a lot of the leaves. If you don't have a gutter guard, you can see along here. Yeah, it still looks kind of dirty. The thing is we found the drain right there, and now everything's drained out. It'll still look a little dirty, but we're gonna have more rain. We're gonna have snow, and that gutter edge will clear off. It'll look a little bit cleaner. What we're gonna do is we're gonna take some more of that caulk and we're gonna roll on the edge of the gutter here. So I'm gonna just run along where the rubber meets the gutter. You can see portion of it here. We're gonna put a caulk along the whole length of the roof up here. And we'll almost be done with this little project. I'd like to trim some of these trees back too. So in the cracks, maybe you can see it if I zoom in, maybe not. All along the edge there's the blackjack putty that's in between the rubber barrier and the gutter. Well, all in all, it went well. My hands only got mildly dirty. Those gloves really helped.